The 1966 Batman, derived from the widely popular television series starring Adam West and Burt Ward, stands as a culture artifact that encapsulates the spirit of its era, while simultaneously laying the groundwork for the modern superhero genre. With its vibrant color palette, in-cheek humor, and memorable characters, film not only entertained millions but also influenced how comic book narratives were adapted for the screen. We will explore the film importance, its distinctive characters, its unique style, and its enduring influence on both pop culture and subsequent superhero adaptation. In the mid 1960s, television was undergoing a creative explosion, and the Batman TV series had captured the imagination of audiences with its colorful aesthetic and campy humor. The decision to create a feature film in 1966 was both a response to the show's success, reflection of the era's fascination with comic book heroes, and served as a love letter to the comic book community, embracing the absurdity and exuberance that many fans adored. It was an era when the superhero genre was largely seen as light entertainment, rather than the darker, more serious storytelling that would emerge in later decades. The film's importance lies in its ability to both celebrate and satirize the source material. Unlike later adaptations that aim for gritty realism, the 1966 Batman film reveled in over-the-top action sequences, outlandish villain, and a playful tone that defied the conventions of serious cinema. This approach allowed it to become a cultural touchstone, influencing not only future Batman portrayals but also the broader trend of camp and parody in superhero media. The heart of the film is Batman, portrayed by Adam West. West's Batman is iconic for his blend of earnest heroism and deadpan delivery, a juxtaposition that became the hallmark of the character in 1960s. His portrayal is characterized by a clear moral compass and a distinct style that combine humor with a sense of duty. Batman's costume, complete with his bold, careless grim, dramatic cape, became instantly recognizable and set the template for what a comic book hero should look like in the era of mass media. Burt Ward's Robin provided a perfect counterbalance to Batman's seriousness. Robin's youth exuberance, combined with his willingness to participate in Batman's adventure, added an element of liberty that resonated with audiences. The dynamic between Batman and Robin was central to the film's appeal. It reflected an ideal of mentorship and teamwork that was both aspirational and relatable. Partnership not only exemplified the value of bravery and loyalty but also introduced a dynamic duo concept that would echo through countless future adaptations. Perhaps one of the most enduring legacies of 1966 film is the who were as much caricatures as they were adversaries. Characters such as the Joker, the Penguin, and Catwoman were reimagined with a flair of theatricality. The Joker, known for its maniacal laughter and penchant for chaos, the Joker in the film was a master of theatrics, whose portrayal balanced the line between menace and farce, creating a character that was both and hilariously exaggerated. With his distinctive look and quirky behavior, the Penguin became a symbol of campy, over-the-top villain. His antics and schemes were designed to be as humorous as they were devious. Portrayed as both a seductress and a cunning adversary, Catwoman introduced an element of mystery. Quality as a villain and an anti-heroine provided a nuanced take on female characters in superhero narrative. These characters contributed significantly to the film's charm, embodying the playful spirit of the era while setting benchmark for future comic book villains. Their exaggerated personas and colorful costumes have become enduring symbols in the Batman mythos, demonstrating that a balance of humor and villainy could create some of the most memorable characters in future culture. One of the most striking aspects of the 1966 Batman film is its visual style. The production design is a testament to the influence of pop art and experimental nature of 1960s cinema. Use of bold primary colors, dramatic set pieces, and creative camera angles all contributed to an aesthetic was such a part of the storytelling as the narrative itself. This visual exuberance was not merely for show. It was a deliberate artistic choice that mirrored the comic book origin of the story. The film also employed a unique narrative technique that broke the fourth wall on several occasions, directly addressing the audience and inviting them into the campy, self-aware world of Batman. This meta-commentary was a precursor to later trends in film and television, where audiences began to appreciate narratives that were both immersive and playful in their self-reflection.